Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat web not working. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if Snapchat web isn't working properly, then you can simply start by checking your internet connection. So once you've done this, you can simply ensure that you are using a supported browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. So if that's not the issue, try updating your Snapchat web, clearing your cookies or like your site's cache, and restarting your device, or simply try to see for the permission of Snapchat. So if you have seen the permissions, then you need to allow everything like your camera, microphone, and everything, and try to clear browsing data as well. Once you have tried everything and anything, you can simply see that this problem will slowly start to be fixed. However, if it still persists, try to uninstall or relaunch your web browser again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.